Good Lord, how long did it take you to do this? Oh, look, it's me, creepy girl. Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Welcome to Journal Wednesday. Today is all about Creepy Girl and Tammy Bowers. She made this sign, and she made this journal. The Adventures of Creepy Girl. Look how fabulous. Look at her necklace. Look at how fabulous this journal is. It has stuff. Okay. I want to be improbable and afraid of nothing as if I had wings. Starts with Creepy Girl and her cats. Creepy Girl's definitely creepy there. I went to a museum and I learned about how the Egyptians put the wings on things. The Met. I went to the Met, actually. Tammy, I'm going to put you on the spot. Oh, I wanted to point this out. I saw. Creep. Was this a cookbook at one point? Because if so, I have one. And I think I'm going to do, not of course the same thing. Look at his little ears sticking up here. And look at the blue eyes. But it's a great way to do a journal. Buttons. Okay, Creepy Girl's Mermaid Dreams. Just keep swimming, and never let anyone burst your bubbles. And I want you to notice her extensive use of stickles. It is fabulous. Stickles, stickles, stickles. You are mermazing. A smooth sea never made a skilled mermaid. This color, Tammy, what is that? Is it still available and can I get some? Creepy Girl gets her wings. And she is free to fly. Just when the caterpillar thought her life was over, she began to fly. And did you do the marble, like rolling marbles to get this background? Because somehow I feel like you did. If you didn't, how did you do that? We want to know. Maybe you should do videos. You should, Tammy. Creepy Girl and her dogs. Although she actually prefers cats. Mira, Isa, ¿cómo dice fox en español? Creepy Girl visits Disneyland. All you need is a little bit of magic. Creepy Girl rides puppies. Okay. The aliens have landed and Juju is on the lookout. We love you, Juju. There they are. Go ahead. Make my day. Giddy up, Rex. Creepy girl horsing around. There's that stickles. All the bridles and stuff and harnesses are in that color. Okay, creepy girl goes into space with a pit bull. To go boldly go where no woman or dog has gone before. Advice from the solar system. Follow your own path. Give yourself some space. Be attractive. Have a stellar attitude. Stay centered. Good advice. Creepy girl rocks out. Keep calm and rock on. Creepy girl visits Japan. Look, Meg. Creepy girl visits Japan. Creepy girl gets her steampunk on. Yes, she does. Creepy girl visits Crazy Rebecca in the land of Lincoln. She flies into O'Hare and does a little Lincoln strut. Friends are flowers in the garden of life. Thank you for being a friend. This is the one me and Brody were laughing at. That's me. That's Leslie, a.k.a. Creepy Girl. We were at the Pioneer Museum in Colorado Springs. And she left me some blank pages so I could do my own. Okay, here's some more adventures. Circus. Here comes the bride. Aloha. And Forbes, show me the money. America's richest self-made woman. Creepy girl. There was another one. You probably heard it. You will hear it. If you stick around for 5 more minutes, you can see the unboxing. But right here was one that said, "Get thee to a nunnery." And it was Creepy Girl in a Habit. Well, I had to give it to Tom because he's our resident Catholic. And he's hilarious. So he got the Creepy Girl nun. Because he's always going to stay with the nuns and the priests. Because he's special, evidently. Okay, Tammy, thank you. Thank you.
Now push play.
Okay, how's my hair look? My hair look okay?
Looks fine to me.
Okay.
Am I supposed to be getting your face in this too?
No.
All right. We're zoomed in on the box.
This is from Tammy Bowers in Hawaii. Nice taping job, Tammy. She was very excited for me to get this, so I'm wondering what's inside.
I like the stickers.
Ran out of tissue, but I know napkins are a good alternative.
Hit.
Oh, hey, napkins. We have a bunch of sugar skull napkins. Those will glue down fabulously. Hummingbird napkin, napkinettes. What do you call those? Little tiny.
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Mr. Trivia,
No.
what do you call those?
I don't know.
Aloha, Hawaii.
Ah.
Oh. colorful napkins. You know, we craft with these. We don't just wipe our mouths with them.
Okay. That's a lot of napkins.
Rebecca. Oh, I see a Star Wars mask. A little origami shirt. All right. This is a Star Wars mask. Everybody needs one. Because of Omicron and stuff, you know. Oh, it's got a nose thing too.
Ooh.
Mm. Yes. More napkins, double-sided. You should make me a journal. Oh my goodness. And not only that, I'm rich. Filipino money.
Ooh.
Look at this, 5,000.
Is that Filipino too?
I think it's Indonesian.
Indonesia.
They went to Indonesia.
Oh.
There's two of them.
That's 10,000.
That's 10,000. And this must be the key to the kingdom.
Yeah.
And feel that. Feel the money.
Ooh. Is it aluminum?
It's aluminum money? Wow. Thank you, Tammy. I'm going to pull this journal out. Maybe it's a travel journal from Indonesia. Uh-oh.
My old friend Brad lived in Indonesia for a while. He loved it. Hey, Brad, if you're out there. Hope things are well. Haven't talked to you in 20 years.
The Adventures of Creepy Girl. Oh, untie it. Stupid. So, Creepy Girl and her cats. Oh my goodness, Tammy. You are a genius. Creepy Girl. Yep, she's a mermaid. How'd you get her so tiny? Creepy Girl and her dogs. And her foxes. Disneyland.
Ooh, great.
Horsing around.
Ah.
In space. Tammy, this is the best thing ever. Good Lord, how long did it take you to do this? Oh, look, it's me. Creepy girl. And some blanks for me to get thee to a nunnery. Thank you so much. And I want to thank Brody for being my film master. What do you call that?
Director, cinematographer.
Best boy.
Best. Can I be key grip?
Thank you.